What once seemed impossible is becoming a reality today. Technologies develop so quickly that sometimes you can't keep up with them. And the development of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology only contributes to this process. Recently I told you about the Tupan company, which made a revolution in the field of environmental protection using the Xenix smart chain technology. And today they presented another revolutionary project named Tupan Drone. They created a drone that can cover distances of up to 1,200 kilometers with a cargo of up to 600 kilograms. Such a drone does not need a pilot and flies automatically thanks to the navigation system. The Tupan drone can develop speeds like a jet plane with vertical takeoff, making it a very convenient means of transportation. It all sounds like another fantasy movie, but it's reality. The T-drone was recently presented at an exhibition in Dubai and will soon be put into mass production. So this could be a gold mine for investors. And Sapphire made sure that its partners could easily invest in this cutting-edge technology. Drone tokens are the digital shares of Tupan Aircraft company, and of course they run on the Xenix smart chain. All previous Sapphire's projects are successful, and I believe this one will also give me a good profit. In the Sapphire's back office you can buy drone minting packages with maximum advantages. Therefore, if you are looking for cutting-edge technologies and revolutionary projects to invest in, you better join Sapphire so you don't miss out on something truly valuable. By following the link below this video, you will open the door to the future.